Lately, I've been binging this podcast called My First Million, which is hosted by a couple of very successful entrepreneurs called Sam Parr and Sean Perry. And there is this one quality that I've noticed in them as well as in the guests that they bring to the show. And it's a quality that I deeply admire and I hope to cultivate in myself. And I like to coin this term hustler spirit. So, what exactly is a hustler spirit? I think that the best way to go about defining it is having a very small time frame between detecting a problem and coming up with a solution. So what do I mean by this? Let me give you an actual example. So Sam, he was talking about how he would like to invite this other entrepreneur guy to the podcast and how it would be very cool to have him in the show. And while he was talking about this, while he was live in the podcast, he actually whipped out his phone, went on Twitter, and direct message this guy to invite him on the podcast. That's exactly the type of thing that I'm talking about. Having this ability to detect a problem and come up with a solution pretty much instantly. I believe that most of us are guilty of seeing a problem and then wasting time thinking about it and delaying it and procrastinating. But what hustler spirit is a bias towards massive action.